Ever thought of making your garden not just beautiful, but also fruitful? Welcome to the world of edible landscaping, where the beauty of nature meets practicality. Imagine a garden bursting with color and fresh fruit. Well, you're in for a treat as we explore the process of edible landscaping with fruit trees. The first step in creating your edible landscape is choosing the right fruit trees. It's crucial to select trees that suit your climate and soil type, as well as satisfy your taste buds. A few popular choices include the crisp apple, the sweet cherry, and the versatile plum tree. Each offers unique flavors and brings a distinct charm to your garden, so take your time to research and choose wisely. Remember, the right tree can turn your garden from simply beautiful to bountiful. Now that you've chosen your trees, it's time to plant and care for them. Start by planting during a cooler season to help establish roots. Dig a hole twice as wide as, but not deeper than, the root ball. Water generously after planting and regularly thereafter. Don't forget the ongoing care. Regular pruning promotes healthier growth, and keeping an eye out for pests ensures your trees stay strong. With proper care, your fruit trees will not only add beauty to your landscape, but also provide a delicious harvest. In time, your hard work will pay off as your trees begin to bear fruit. Imagine the sheer delight of plucking a ripe apple or a juicy peach right from your backyard. There's an unparalleled satisfaction in tasting the fruits of your labor, literally. From creating a homemade jam to baking a delicious fruit pie, the possibilities for culinary exploration are endless. So let your creativity run wild in the kitchen with your homegrown harvest. And there you have it, a garden that's not just pleasing to the eye but also offers a tasty treat. Edible landscaping with fruit trees is a fruitful venture you'll definitely enjoy. It's a journey from selecting the right trees, nurturing them, to savoring the delectable fruits. A hobby that benefits not just you, but the environment too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!